How to create outline text effect. In this tutorial, I'll explain the easiest way to achieve this effect. After unlocking the background layer, select the subject and create a duplicate of it. This step is crucial for creating the outline effect. Next, grab the Type tool and write Run with big and bold letters. This will serve as our main text for the outline effect. Change the text color to white using the color options in your software. This step will set the foundation for our outline effect. Use the Transform tool to adjust the position and size of the text to match your desired layout. This ensures that the text aligns seamlessly with your design vision. Now, duplicate the text layer, and for the upper layer, change the fill to 0. Head to Blending Options, click on Stroke, and choose a white color. Set the preferences to match mine. Then, click on Drop Shadow, choose a black color, and adjust the preferences to mirror mine. Move the text layer behind the subject. Select both text layers and click on the Link Layers option. This ensures that any further adjustments will be applied uniformly to both text layers, maintaining the desired outline effect.